Made in India.
So I spent 25 years of my life doing media, communication, events, movies, talent management. I did all sorts of businesses. And after finishing 25 years, which was this year, इस साल 25 साल खत्म हुए थे मेरे, तो मैंने ये सवाल खुद से पूछा, और एक किताब का एक टाइटल है, Who will cry when you die? तो मैंने खुद से ये सवाल पूछा कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया है क्या इस देश के लिए कि anybody will miss me? तो वो सवाल था कि नहीं, आज तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. और क्यों? क्योंकि I think we've started breeding, we've started enjoying uncertainty, fear, instability. We take pleasure from pain for some strange reason. Now, the reality is there is a lot of pain. There is a lot of issues that need to be tackled. So let's assume today together कि India में 80% things are bad. But the objective that we took on at United was an initiative to take that 20% good, put it out there, create a movement of that 20% good and multiply it with full passion, full energy, and full pride. So that is why we are here today. So today's agenda is all about good. The bad part is over. So today is about celebrating Brand India, getting out there and understanding the power of something that you actually own. What is the one thing that every citizen owns equally in this country? तो वो होगा कि हम सब equally एक चीज को own करते हैं, वो है Brand India. Who really owns Brand India? तीसरा सवाल, who is the brand ambassador for India? India को celebrate कैसे करते हैं? इस किस्म के सवाल हैं. और United का initiative, I am Made in India का initiative यही है कि हम हर वो चीज जो optimistic है, जो positive है, वो surface पे लाएं. This website will feature top 100 Indians and their profiles on the planet and in India. ये जानना बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है कि ना ही सिर्फ क्रिकेटर्स और बॉलीवुड आइकॉन्स, बट साइंटिस्ट, people from the medical world, architects, even they are geniuses. They have built things for India and they're all over the world. We are 1 in 8 in the world population. It's not a joke. So this website allows you to unite all the Indians, put the top 100 Indians in India and on the planet together and celebrate them. The people who come on this website can actually send messages to these 100 Indians on the planet. They can talk to them. They can send messages, and we will do our best to get those messages to those people. Because I'm sure that even Sunita Williams sitting in the US would love to know what the Indian youth or you or me have to say about her. I think India में एक ही website होगा जहां हम सिर्फ good news, breaking good news feature करेंगे.
IamMadeInIndia.com. A United initiative.